Right there, next stop, we are in El Chalten for 3 nights. Now, one of the main reasons we're here is when we were doing a bit of research on where to go on our honeymoon, we were looking at looking at Patagonia, we were looking at like Asia, we were looking at a whole load of other places, and this one place popped up called the Eco Domes, which is this spectacular looking like glass domed tents in the middle of nowhere with these amazing views over these amazing mountains. So we thought we'd look into that and found them, booked them, and now we're here, and this is what they look like. So dia uno in El Chalten, we got into town about, what was it, 1, 2 o'clock, so we have time for one of the big hikes. We've gone down to the local nature reserve called Los Huemules? Huemules, something like that.
I don't really know how to pronounce it. They're almost 16.
I'll put a caption up, on the screen so the viewers can see it. We did a little walk up to Laguna Azul and Laguna Verde, it was very pretty, and now let's walk back. Cut to B-roll. Day 2 in El Chalten. It's unbelievably windy. We're about to embark on the trek to Laguna de los Tres, which is quite a long way away. All the way up to somewhere up there. But it's like 100-mile-an-hour wind, so this could be interesting.
Like time is playing tricks on me. Like my present now is my past, so lost in a familiar place.
So this is the final 1k of Laguna de los Tres. It goes up 400 meters in 1 kilometer, which, if my maths is right, means it averages 40% steepness, which is pretty scary. So let's see how this goes. Although there's quite a lot of fat Americans around and they seem to be doing it, so it'll be alright. So this is Laguna de los Tres. It's not even windy anymore, which is a bit of a result. And right there, you got Fitzroy, which is a pretty spectacular little spot to have lunch, as we just have.
I don't know if I should leave or stay, if I am already on my way, but it feels like I'm running backwards all the time. It feels like I am being...
This place is absolutely unbelievable. Basically everywhere you walk you can see Fitzroy, is that huge mountain behind me, but from every angle it looks totally different. Not talking to Emily, I'm talking to you. But, so good. So walk done, Emily, 23k, really need a beer.
This is the hardest bit now.
You need an Aperol Spritz. Why is this the hardest bit?
Because you know you've done it, but you're still not at the place you need to get to. So you're still at the final stretch.
We'll find a beer.
Feels like I'm running backwards all the time.
those eco domes, which are really, 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 really cool. Fuck, am I really sunburnt or is that just the light?
You're really bad.
El Chalten, the town, is actually really cool as well, so it's well worth spend a bit of time here. If you just go to eco domes, spend at least one night hanging out here because it's just full of bars, there's loads of happy hours, it's really cheap. That seems really good.
It's like après ski for hiking.
Is après hike?
I guess so.
What's the Spanish for après?
Después
hike.
Después de andar.
Gee.
It's the thing.
Oh god. Woo! Day 3 in El Chalten. Bloody windy again. We're heading up towards Laguna Torre, which is the other big hike in the area, but some rumours in town that the top might be shut today, so see how we get on. So that is one of the most popular signs in Argentina, which is slightly annoying. Totally get it where it's somewhere like Iguazu where there's loads of people. But if you're in a big national park and you can follow the general rules of drones to not fly anywhere near people, nowhere near buildings, nowhere near animals, not in high winds, all that kind of stuff. So it's a bit of a shame to give a blanket ban, but then I guess there is basically nothing more annoying than sitting in a nice quiet spot and having a drone turn up. So probably best to avoid that than
Also noise pollution.
run the risk of. That's exactly what I was just saying. Yeah. Anyway, no drones in the national parks, so it's all from ground level. Could be worse. Fire with some steaming, smelly socks on top, really adding to the vibe. Thanks, Emily.